Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Foot plus ball. Football. N plus jury. Injury. Football injury. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Cymraeg.
Thank you, Gene, and thank you, everyone, for tuning us in and helping us wrap up what has been a super week here on Classic Concentration. Super because of this man, primarily. He has been our champion for the past few days. He has won $23,830 in prizes. His name is Stuart Chapin, and he has yet to win a car. That has not been his most successful area on Classic Concentration. But you're going to make up for that if you get to the winner's circle again today, right?
Today. This game.
If you get to the winner's circle,
yes,
you will have 55 seconds on the clock. And that's a lot of time.
And the technicians have money on this.
Really?
Yes, that's what I hear.
Unfortunately, what you didn't hear is that some of them put their wagers on this lady, your opponent, Stacy Courtois. Welcome back, Stacy.
Thank you, Alex.
Tell me about your little daughter.
Her name is Kelsey, and she's adorable. She's a year old in 2 weeks.
Where do you live? Here in Southern
Orange
California?
County,
Yeah?
Buena Park.
What's your husband do, this French-Canadian?
He's a marketing rep.
Yeah?
He golfs and takes people to lunch. He's got a real tough job.
Oh, gosh, can you have him call me and take me to lunch and take me golfing? I like to do that.
Sure.
All right, good luck to you. Take a look over here, and we'll show you something great for your home.
Oneida Crystal in the pink minx pattern. Goblets, wine and champagne flutes, plus decanter and candlesticks. All mouth-blown, hand-cut, full-lead crystal, furnished by Oneida. Alex.
And Stacy and Stuart, take a look on our game board. We'll show you where you'll find the crystal stemware at number 2. And Stacy, you've got one strike against you. You lost the last game yesterday. You get to pick first today.
Okay, number 9, please.
Number 9 is a kayak.
Ah. Okay, I want a wild card under number 12.
Number 12 is a wall mirror. No match. Stuart.
Number 7, please.
Diamond earrings.
Ooh. And a match or a wild card for that under number 23, please.
No. Red take. Stacy, there's a holiday in Miami Beach in this game, too, that might get you a little excited.
That might.
I don't want it to get you too excited.
Especially after this guy comes.
Yeah.
Let's see, number 19.
Miami Beach Resort. There you go.
Oh. Okay, a wild card under number 5.
Red take. No match. Stuart.
May I see what's under number 23, please?
Well, that's the red take.
And number 5, please.
There's the other red take. There's a match. Thanks to Stacy. 2 doors opening up for you, Stuart. Go again.
Number 13, please. Center of the board.
Electric range.
And a match or a wild card for that under number 1.
Dartboard with cabinet, mind you. This is not one of those fully exposed dartboards. This is a dartboard that has little cabinet doors that close in front of it, Stacy.
Really nice.
Doesn't that kind of get to you?
Yeah.
Yeah, almost as much as the trip to Miami.
But I gotta win. I have to win it.
Okay.
How about...
Our gift certificate for wallpaper might be available in this game also.
I need new
one of my
wallpaper.
favorites. You need wallpaper?
Yeah.
Well, then that would get you excited.
Yeah.
Okay, go to work.
Number 10, please.
His and her sportswear.
How about underneath it at 15?
Nope.
Oh, I can't.
Green take. Stuart?
Going down the line, number 20, please.
Right down in that same column is a wild card.
Let's see the china at number 2, please.
The crystal stemware.
Crystal, yes.
The other crystal stemware is at number 6. Take a look now. 3 doors opening up for you, Stuart. Stuart passed up on that vacation in Miami, folks, even though he knew where it was, because he's already won a holiday in the Bahamas, and he's going to go right through Miami on his way there. Stuart, pick again.
Number 17, please.
His and her sportswear.
And the match under number 10, please.
Yep.
His and her sportswear is right. Go again. Take a look. Select.
Number 21, please.
Kayak.
And the match under number 9.
Kayak. Right. Stacy, he's not giving you much breathing room, but you just keep concentrating on this puzzle. Try to figure it out while he's making all these matches, and maybe you'll get your chance in a little bit. Take a look, Stuart. Select again.
Number 24, please.
Bedding ensemble. I don't know if that ensemble is for the
wild
bed or
card
for you.
for that under number 8, please.
8? Yes. Boy, you're looking serious now, Stuart. Can you solve this? Keep going.
Number 12, please.
Wall mirror.
Did we see that? We did see that. I don't know where. Number 15.
No, green takes. Stacy, guess what? You get a chance to play.
I get a chance. How about number 3?
Wall mirror.
And was it on number 12?
Wall mirror, right. Got your chance and you almost messed it up. But you're in control right now. You can solve this puzzle.
With bated breath.
Yeah.
Is that how you're going to be?
I hope so, if I win.
With bated breath. Yes. The lady gets a wall mirror out of this. Stuart gets his first defeat, and Stacy comes to the board. Hang on here. Go easy. Explain this.
Okay, it's with, and then I knew that was bait on a hook. Bait head, breath. With bated breath.
Bated breath. All right, congratulations to you. Stuart, that's just your first loss. 1X against you. You'll play in game number 2 in a little while. Right now, we'll take you off stage. And Stacy, I'll tell you that you won the wall mirror, and you have earned a chance to play for a brand new car. You could win a car, and maybe Stuart could win one later on, and you'd both go away happy.
That would be great.
We'll take this break. We'll return following these messages. And now let's see if I can do my job without messing it up. The Daihatsu Charade is sitting on that lower shelf. Then we have the Mitsubishi Mirage, Stacy, followed by the Suzuki Swift. You notice how I changed your name from Stacy to Stacy? The Hyundai Excel comes next, followed by the Pontiac Le Mans, the Geo Metro, the Eagle Summit, and finally the Nissan Sentra. And Stacy,
I'll take any of them.
You'll take any one?
Yeah.
All right, let's see you do it. Come on. I don't want you to panic. If you don't panic, and if you have a little bit of luck, you do need a little bit of luck to make easy matches, then you'll win the car. 15 numbered squares, base time, 35 seconds. Good luck, off you go.
1, 3.
No.
4, 6.
No.
7, 9.
No.
10, 12.
No.
7, 12.
Right.
13, 3.
No.
6, 15.
No.
1, 13.
That's it.
14, 2.
Yes.
5, 10.
No.
9, 8.
No.
11, 3.
You didn't get the luck in the early going.
I didn't.
No, but that's okay. You're going to play in another game, and we're going to have a lot of fabulous prizes in that one, and maybe you'll win it and get another shot at the car. You've got to for the little one. We'll be back after this. In game number 2 in just a moment, but I have a question for Stuart and Stacy. Do either one of you work out with the Classic Concentration home game? Stacy?
That's what I practiced on before I came here.
You did?
Yes.
Stuart?
Yes.
You did also? Mm-hmm. Well, by golly, that's good news, because now I can tell the folks at home how important it is to get hold of this home game. And even if you don't plan to be a contestant on the program, it's fun. You can have an enjoyable evening with friends and family members by playing the Classic Concentration game. Plus, it'll make one of our investors very happy, because he's got a lot of money tied up in the home game. Okay, only one wild card in game number 2, in which our contestants are playing for, among other things, this movable prize.
Health Waves exercise and massage table helps promote total body circulation and inch loss and helps restore energy. Designed to be moved effortlessly and stored easily. Furnished by Health Wave Industries. Alex.
And that expensive and beautiful massage table can be found at number 9. We've also got $800 in the cash pot somewhere on the board, and we have a holiday in Barbados. And Stuart, you had your first loss in that last game, so you pick first now.
Number 23, please.
23, color television.
Could use that. The center of the board, number 13.
Sometimes prizes match up in the same column, but not this time. That was a silver gift certificate. Stacy.
Let's start with number 1, please.
Gold and diamond brooch.
How about the match under number 14?
Word processor, no match. Stuart.
Number 12, please.
Barbados.
Let's find that match under number 7, please.
No, word processor. Possible match for Stacy.
Number 14.
Word processor.
And number 7 for the match.
You are correct. Good match. Good beginning. Open it up for the lady. Pick again.
How about number 15, please?
Wild card.
Oh, we'll take number 12.
Wonder why? Well, because number 12 happens to be the holiday in Barbados. The other Barbados vacation is at number 8, so that goes up here and down here. 3 panels swing open, and they're all in the same area. That might be good news. Select again.
Number 3, please.
Binoculars.
Okay, how about a match under number 25?
Green take. No match. Stuart?
Number 11, please.
Color TV.
And the match under number 23.
That was your very first selection in this game, I believe. And that's a match for you. It's one piece of equipment for the house that I don't think you've won up to this point.
It's one piece that I don't own a television. My brother had this little flip-top thing, and I was trying to watch Concentration all this week going, can you solve it? I can't even see it.
I see. Do you have anything against television?
No.
No?
Not today.
Because you're kind of the outdoor type, and I know you like camping and being away from some of these things such as television, but I'm glad that you know enough about our show to do so well here. Let's open these 2 panels for you, Stuart. Go again.
See what's behind number 6, please.
Red take.
And number 22.
No, that's an $800 cash pot. Stacy, and it could be yours.
Was number 25? Oh, was it green?
Green take.
How about number 2? I'm gonna keep it for a while. I want that Barbados trip, and he's not gonna get it.
He's not going to get it, huh? All righty. Good thinking on your part. And there are only natural matches left. So let's open these 2 doors for Stacy Courtois. Pick again.
How about number 21?
Tennis rackets for 2.
And how about number 16?
Clarinet. Stuart?
See what's behind number 4, please.
Clarinet.
Number 16 for the match.
Clarinet. What happens as we open these 2 doors? Pick again.
Number 5, please.
Cash pot.
Did we see that under number 22?
Cash pot, yes. Stuart, what can you do with this puzzle? Pick again.
Number 6, please.
Red take.
Number 19? No.
Yes. He said no, but his heart said yes.
Said yes, yes.
Yes, here is the take. And Stacy has a word processor and Barbados. Now, Hang on. Before Stacy starts to panic over whether Stuart will use the take to grab her vacation, I should point out that this man has already won a lot of vacations, and 2 of them happen to be in that part of the world. You've already got a cruise in the Bahamas. You're going to the sun in Acapulco. You've got Mexico City. This is a Barbados vacation.
Yes.
And there's a word processor.
I'll take the Barbados vacation.
Okay?
You can take it back if you can. There you go.
All right, Stacy. He's issuing a challenge. Let's open these 2 panels for Stuart. Select again. Did you come up with a solution just at the end there, you think?
Number 9, please.
Number 9. Massage table. Natural matches only.
Let's see what's under number 18.
There's the match. Stacy, this might be bad news for you and good news for Stuart. Stuart, solve this puzzle.
I don't know it.
Can't do it. All right, go again.
Number 17, please.
Silver gift certificate.
Number 20, please.
Gold and diamond brooch. Stacy, you make 1 match, you can get that trip.
Okay, I want number 1.
Number 1.
And
Gold
number
and diamond
20.
brooch. Gold and diamond brooch.
Give me the Barbados trip back.
Barbados, give it to her.
That's what I want.
And show her these 2 additional pieces of the puzzle. Pick again.
Number 3.
Binoculars.
We did that once, didn't we? How about number 17 for the match? No.
3, number 10, 13, 17, 21, 24. Stacy's in first.
Man the torpedo full speed ahead.
Is it man the torpedo full speed ahead? No, it is not. Stuart, can you solve this puzzle?
Damn the torpedoes, full speed ahead.
Stacy was close, but I think she made a bad mistake. Damn the torpedoes, full speed ahead. Yes. And Stuart has won big again. Come on, yes,
Damn the T or P in the pod. There's the buck and the 2 does. Does, torpedoes, full speed ahead. Damn the torpedoes, full speed ahead. Leave that
Is it okay if I stand here? We're friends. Stacy, gosh, I'm sorry it didn't work out any better for you.
Good
but
luck,
you've got a
Stuart.
happy event coming up
I do.
very soon,
I
that
do.
little baby. And you
Had a
won a
blast.
wall mirror, so congratulations.
Thank
you
you.
for being with us. Take
Thank
care. Stuart, come here. Gene, tell us what he has won again.
A cash pot worth $800 and a clarinet. LeBlanc's Vito brand Dazzler clarinet looks as lively as it sounds. 6 brilliant colors add bright new dimensions to your music. Furnished by LeBlanc. And a color TV. Magnavox 20-inch stereo color TV is smart, very smart. It includes a universal remote that controls virtually any brand of wireless, VCR, and cable. Furnished by Magnavox. And, of course, the relaxing massage table, a prize package worth $4,091.
This man's going to leave our show at the end of today's program with about $35,000 because he's going to win a brand new car after this. We'll see. His face, and you know he's serious about this, so let's do it. 15 numbered squares, 55 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2,
No.
3, 4,
No.
5, 6,
No.
7, 4,
No.
8, 9,
No.
10, 11,
No.
5, 12,
No.
13, 15,
No.
10, 8,
No.
15, 8,
No.
13, 8,
Yes. No. Sorry.
1, 2, damn,
No.
5, 7,
No.
9, 6,
Yes.
5, 4,
No.
7, 12,
No.
13, 2,
No.
1, 12.
Maybe you were serious for another reason.
I was, for another reason.
Because you want to stay, you want to enjoy the weekend, thinking about the $27,900 in prizes you've got, and you want to come back on Monday. We'll come back after this break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Sunset's contemporary Twilighter table lamp in soft antique pastel pink, hand-carved and hand-decorated with a coordinated color shade, furnished by Sunset Lamp Company. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Weekend. Join us Monday.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.